Construction work can be dangerous because of the different hazards and risks present in the workplace. Injuries in a construction site may require immediate medical attention, which is why having the necessary medical supplies is essential. In this video, we will show you the top 5 essential medical supplies for construction workers. By knowing and having access to these supplies, you can effectively manage workplace injuries and keep your workers safe. The first aid kit is an essential medical supply that contains all the basic items needed to treat minor injuries. It should be easily accessible to all workers and should be well stocked at all times. A typical first aid kit should contain adhesive bandages, sterile gauze pads, antiseptic wipes, burn ointment, scissors, tweezers, and latex gloves. In the event of a sudden cardiac arrest, an automated external defibrillator, AED, can be used to help save a life. An AED is an electronic device used to diagnose and treat heart arrhythmias. It can analyze heart rhythm and, if necessary, deliver an electric shock to restore the heart's normal rhythm. Construction sites should have at least one AED available for emergency situations. Burns are another common injury in a construction site. Having a burn kit readily available can help treat minor burns and prevent further injury or infection. A typical burn kit should contain gauze, burn cream, burn dressing, and adhesive tape. Eye injuries can also occur in a construction site from flying debris, dust, or chemicals. An eye wash station is a vital medical supply that can help treat eye injuries. It is a device that provides a continuous stream of water to flush out any foreign material in the eyes. It should be located near areas where eye injuries are most likely to occur. Personal protective equipment, PPE, is a must-have in a construction site. PPE includes hard hats, safety glasses, gloves, and steel-toe boots. It can help protect workers from injuries and reduce the risk of accidents. PPE should be used in conjunction with other medical supplies to provide optimal protection to workers. Having these top 5 essential medical supplies for construction workers can help keep your workers safe and prevent injuries in the workplace. Employers should regularly check the supplies to ensure that they are well stocked and accessible to all workers. By taking these measures, you can provide a safe working environment for everyone involved in the construction project.